Hey, good morning, guys. So it is a beautiful morning. I don't know if you can see that. The sun is shining. There's frost on the ground. I just got off work. It's about 8 a.m., maybe a little later. So I am just taking my dog to the park for a quick walk, and then I'm gonna climb into bed and get some sleep. So I figured I would do a what I eat in a day video today and see what I get up to, probably cook something up for dinner. But yeah, first I'm gonna finish taking my dog for a walk, and then I'm gonna get some sleep, and then I'll check back in with you after that. All right, guys, good afternoon. I finished that walk with the dog, and then I came home and slept till about 1:45, so it's about 2 o'clock now. I'm having my coffee, feeling pretty tired, so I'm just gonna chill out on the couch for a little bit. Anyways, I'm just gonna have my coffee. I literally just used up the very last of my coffee. I have like maybe a tablespoon of whipped cream left, so this means I gotta go shopping today. Don't want to do it, but I guess that's probably what I'm gonna get up to this afternoon. So yeah, I will take you along with me, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so as you can probably tell, I've been pretty lazy, and I've done, sorry, my dog is so loud right now. It's like the third time I've had to re-record because of my dog. So anyway, we're just gonna go with it. Yeah, so I've been really lazy. I'm feeling tired today. I have one more night shift tonight. Although I did get, I don't know if you saw yesterday's video, but there was a ton of dirty dishes, and just my floor desperately needed sweeping and mopping. So I did get that done, so that's good. I'm still just in my pajamas. I have been trying to decide what I'm gonna eat. I'm hungry, but feeling, again, still a little lazy. I was thinking of trying these. These are the cognac. It's like a root vegetable pasta. I don't quite understand the packaging or the nutrition facts. It's 0 carbs and 5 grams of fiber. So it's like, I don't know, 0 carb is great by me. So it means it's like -5 carbs. I don't know. I wasn't sure how I wanted to cook it. Yeah, but that was sort of what I was thinking. And then my neighbor messaged me. He borrowed a casserole dish earlier, and he's just recently gone keto. And look, guys, look what he just brought me. So he has made a cauliflower macaroni casserole. So I'm gonna eat that. I'll probably eat about half of that, and I'll report back and let you know how it was. All right, guys, so this is really yummy. I just realized I still have some of the bacon that I meal prepped a few days ago and green onion cut up. I kind of cut that up for my broccoli cheesy soup. Would be so good in this. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that. Some green onion. And it's just like totally hitting the spot. Somebody really wishes he could have some. All right, guys, the other thing I am working on is my first big cup of water. I feel like I've been neglecting my water intake lately, so this is full of ice water, and I plan to drink that and fill it up again as many times as possible over the course of the next few hours. All right, guys, so I finally got up and had a shower and put a little bit of makeup on and Feeling a little better. So I just need to throw a meal together for the family. So I ate that cauliflower cheesy casserole that my neighbor gave me, and it was really good. I actually ate it all. So I'm not feeling hungry at all. But the family will be, and my husband's on his way home from work. So I'm gonna throw together something really easy. I'm just kind of making it up off the top of my head. Gonna do some sort of meatball casserole. I've done it before. And when I did, I just used meatballs, tomato sauce, and then cheese on top and baked that in a casserole dish. This time I'm gonna add like a cheesy sauce on top of the tomato sauce, I think, before I add the shredded cheese on top. Yeah, and it's super easy. So, but I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna throw it together, but I'll show you as I go. All right, so here's a better look at everything I'm going to use. I may add some ingredients, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna cut up this little head of broccoli, throw that in there. I've got some already cooked meatballs, so I don't know, not a huge fan of those, but it's quick and easy. Cheese, tomato sauce. I'm gonna make like another white sauce, so like a little bit of whipped cream, sour cream, cream cheese, some Parmesan, garlic. I don't have my salt and pepper out yet, but salt and pepper, and then I figured I should use the rest of this up. It's just a little bit of bacon bits and green onions. So let's get cooking. Alright guys, so like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing here, but just a quick recap. So I just cut up some broccoli, I had some frozen pre-cooked meatballs, put those in the dish, added a little bit, not even quite half a jar of the tomato sauce. That tomato sauce is pretty high in carbs, so I didn't want to use too much because I do want to eat some of this. I have such a hard time finding low carb tomato sauce. This one is like, oh gosh, I want to say 6 carbs. So 8 grams of carbs, 2 fibers. So like 6 carbs per half cup. I mean, I only intend to eat, you know, maybe an eighth of a cup would be in a serving, if that. So, I mean, it's not super high once it's all spread out. But anyways, I didn't want to add too much. So just sort of poured that on top just a little bit. And then I mixed up that concoction. I just literally made it up as I went. I do a lot of casseroles with something similar to that. So then I poured it over top and tried to spread it out as best as I can. I think it's gonna melt more and run down more as it cooks. So I have the oven, it is at 375. I'm thinking that should be good. I don't know how long this is gonna cook for. I want the broccoli to be fully cooked and the meatballs to be fully heated through. The only other thing I'm gonna do, so guys, I have no idea who did this. Check this out. Got a hole in the bottom corner of my bag that is Ziploc sealed. So yeah, I found that out the hard way. Ended up with cheese all over my countertop. So anyway, I'm gonna sprinkle some cheese over top and Parmesan, and then we're gonna throw it in the oven. So I got this in the oven. I'll just keep an eye on it and we'll see how long it takes to cook. Yeah, so I'd say it was a hit. To work. All right, guys, so I'm actually just in the Starbucks drive-through getting myself an Americano Misto, heavy cream, 3/4 water, 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla, and a pack of stevia. So that should, oh, an extra shot also, an extra shot of espresso. So hoping that'll keep me going through the night. Just finished up at Superstore, gonna run home, do a really quick food haul, throw it all in the fridge, and then get off to work. So I'll show you what I got at grocery shopping when I get home. All right, guys, so I'm back from the grocery store. I'm gonna do a really quick food haul with y'all right now. I need to leave for work in like 20 minutes here, so we're gonna go through this really quickly. As you've seen before, if you've watched any of my videos before, this is not only for me, it's also for my family. In our home right now, we have 2 teenagers, my husband and myself. So yeah, they're not all keto. I'm the only one doing keto. So, although they don't complain with all the keto dinners that I make. All right, quickly what I bought. That's Sunday night, so I'm just trying to prepare a little bit for the work week. Anyways, I got hamburger meat. Seems to be I buy one of these every time I go out. I'm either gonna make keto chili or my cabbage lasagna. I haven't decided, but I'm gonna make one of those this week. I got my drinks that I have one every night or every morning around 4 in the morning when I'm on night shift. Those were on for like $1.20 each, so that's not a bad price. These are just for the kids' lunches, easy, quick. Main reason I went, I'm completely out of coffee, so I don't usually buy Tim Hortons K-Cups, but it was on for a good price, and I haven't tried their dark roast yet, so I thought I'd give that a try until I can get to Costco, where I usually buy my coffee. I bought ham from the deli because it was on a wicked sale. So like $4 for 300 grams of ham is pretty good. I probably won't eat much of that, but the kids will eat that. Sandwiches for lunches and stuff. Pepperoni, good keto snack. I also got this pepper-coated salami, so that's another good keto snack. I might make it like a meal prep with pepperoni and salami and cheese like already cut up and ready to go, so I can just grab it when I'm on the run. I did manage to find a lower carb tomato sauce. This is 4 carbs, 2 fiber, so 2 net carbs, which is pretty good. The catch is, this was like $7, but I bought it anyway, and if I make my lasagna this week, that's what I'm gonna use in it to try to keep it as low carb as possible. I found some lowish carb cold coffee. It does still have 2 carbs in it per 1 cup. So I don't know, I'm gonna give it a try though. Oh, I just realized I think I bought 2 different ones. Or is that, no, that's just the front side. Okay, whipped cream. I was out of whipped cream. I bought 2. I think I might take 1 and leave it at work for when I get there with my coffee. I bought 2 orange juice. It was on buy 2. If you bought 2, they were $2 each. Muffins for the kids' lunches and my husband's lunch. They like to grab muffins, and I haven't baked any in a couple weeks now. And then, okay, I got this artichoke Asiago dip. It's like, seriously guys, it is 1 carb for 2 tablespoons, and I thought with the wisps, that would be a perfect snack. This is delicious, like so good. So that's kind of like a treat, I feel like. I spent a little bit much on these, but I love blackberries, and that's one of the few low carb fruits. Berries are pretty low carb, and I thought this week I'd show you my peanut butter whip that I make. It's deadly, and I dip these giant blackberries in it, and it's so good when I'm craving something sweet. So cabbage, for cabbage lasagna I want to make, some more lettuce because I try to eat lots of salads, although I haven't eaten that much this week, but we'll be eating more salads coming up here. I bought another onion and some bananas for the kids and husband, mostly for their lunches. So nothing too exciting, just a quick little food haul for you. So I'm going to get putting these groceries away, and then I'm going to take the dog out for a very quick little walk and head off to work. Okay guys, I'm also quickly, before I run off to work, I'm going to have 2 of my keto shortbread cookies that I made the other day. Kids have been nibbling at them a little bit, but yeah, they're about ready. They should be eaten up soon. So I will have 2 of those before I head to work. Okay guys, the other thing I just thought I'd show you really quickly is I decided I'm going to bring a few of those wisps and that Asiago artichoke dip with me to work. I feel like I haven't eaten much today. Like my dinner was pretty small. I didn't have a ton of the meatball casserole, and I just had a few cucumbers with it. So I'm just going to bring this. I'll eat it when I first get to work. I don't usually like to bring food with me to work, but that's all right. I feel like I should eat that. And then of course I'll have one of my drinks at like 4 in the morning, and I'll have my water with me, and that'll be it. All right guys, so I think that's it for today. As I've said, I'm just about to head out to work. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Like I've said before guys, I'm just getting started. I have all kinds of ideas for upcoming videos. I'm excited to be doing this, so I would love your support. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.